Hi everyone, today I want to sharing some tips how to DIY for the connect the wire because a lot of common case the dog bite the wire because the Autogate the arm is outside below the gate, so the wire is the dog bite, so you need to how to connect it. Actually very simple, even though the housewife also can do it. You just need the like a cutter, wire cutter you can get on our shop. It's quite cheaper, you save your money. You can connect your own. Example, it's already disconnect the wire here. So how we join that? So the first thing you see the wire like the skin already came off like the dog Kiki. So he bite until here. The skin come out is okay, but actually it's nothing wrong. You can use a tape and tape it. For example, I show you. You can cut a bit. It is already kicked here. So you can use a leg tape and tape it. Yeah, that's all. And then you how to join here. First, maybe it's too short the connect here. Then you have to cut it. You have to cut first. And then this one also cut. After you cut, because I have to remove the skin, I only can join back. How to remove? Actually, this one is not so difficult. You just cut a little bit, not cut until full, cut a half. Then you use your hand, your finger like this. You can pull up. You see I already removed the skin. It's quite simple, and also for another, only got 2 wires for arm. Yeah, see. Then you can directly join here, or you wish to use the connector also okay. But connector we not so recommend because outdoor get rusty. After get rusty, the connection not good enough. So normally we join it directly. Just turn it 2 wire together. Then use your finger turn until it's strong enough. After it's strong enough, like this, then you make like a 1 U-turn to make it stronger. You also make a U-turn. Yeah. Then you use a tape and tape it. After you tape, you try. But some of the case I understand. Some of the case the cable, the wire is thin. If the wire is same color, what I mean is, if same color, how you know which one is negative, what is positive? Actually, this one. After you connect, you can try using the remote to open it. If the case after you open one open, one swing in, one swing out, that means is what I mean is one open, one close. Then it's the body already upside down already. So you need to exchange left to right, right to left. So actually you after you connect wrong also never mind one. So you just step like this. So that's all. It save your cost. So you can try it. Most of the cases happen again. He will bite again because you know this is what you can bite. Is the skin is rubber, look like rubber, it's plastic. So the dog is when the dog small, he really like to bite something. So what you can do to prevent it happen after you join, you can put some the brake. The brake you put heavy one. Maybe you near to the arm here, you put 1 or 2 to cover it, or you can put maybe the pot of plant head, just cover it. So the amount he can't go eat and also can. Or maybe you can try. Some customers say try go and pet shop and buy some spray. Also can. I got one customer, he put some chili there. He smell, he don't like, then he never buy again. You can try. I'm not sure it work or not, effective or not. So okay, thank you.